Hi everybody, this is Lorena Young from Jewelry, and I'd like to show you an amazing and very large vintage 1980s rare Navajo signed cuff turquoise in sterling silver 925. This is made by the legendary artist Larry Moses Begay, and if you look at the back, it shows his stamp. L&B sterling, genuine turquoise, sterling silver, made in USA. It's a really nice piece of jewelry, Navajo, vintage, cuff bracelet, very beautiful. It's really unique. Really nice turquoise stones. The turquoise are Kingman turquoise.